Hello everyone and welcome back. Welcome to my garden. I will be cooking and prepping things from my garden. There will be a 7 video series, a new video every week. I will show you how to make pickles, how to make tomato sauces. These are tomatoes from my garden. Here's some of the carrots and sweet potatoes and zucchini from my garden. We will be preparing and cooking a lot from our garden. So stay tuned for our 7 video series. Every week there will be a new video uploaded starting the 27th of June until July 18th. And there will be a new video every week, and I hope you guys like my recipes, and I hope you like the food preservation methods that I will be sharing with you, and I thank you all for watching.